I'm Megan, and I really like publishing because we get to write about anything that we want, and it's really fun. And the teacher's really chill. We get to eat. We get to play games when we're done. We get to have lots of free time if you get it right. And it's just like a really inclusive and chill space to be in.
One thing I liked about publishing was the field trips and the people. And another thing I liked was there wasn't that much homework. And my favorite article that I wrote was probably the food insecurity article.
And one of the things I like about publishing is the field trips and the people in my class, because everyone is really sweet, and the field trips are just really fun. You get to go to different places, you get to buy things, you get to take pictures, and you just have a really fun time with your class. One of the articles that I really enjoyed writing about was one called Sharks Are Misunderstood. I did this with a friend, and I honestly really just like writing about it because I get to show a perspective from me and her point of view about sharks, since there's multiple movies made about them, showing how dangerous and they're just really bad animals. They're scary, but they're actually not that scary. They're not as dangerous as you think they are.
My name is Pearl. I'm in publishing class this year, and I think something that I really enjoyed, or that I've been enjoying about this class, is that we get the freedom to write about what we want, within reason, but we get a choice to write about things that we like, but we also have some structure, and we also all have a topic that we write about at the start, and then we have free choice. I think my favorite article that I've written so far was at the beginning of the year. It was about children's TV shows that you should rewatch, and I feel like I was able to connect to the topic and really write a good article. So yeah.
I'm Patrick, the editor-in-chief for this year's Willard Phoenix newspaper, and what I like about publishing is how we get to write about topics that we like. We get to have fun with our friends in class, and we have a lot of free time. One of my favorite articles this year was the one that I did on some of the MLB rule changes for this new season. That was really fun because I was really interested in the topic, so I was able to write it and have a little fun while doing it. I also like when we go on field trips for the publishing class. We just get to get off campus and have a little fun, take photos with your book.
Hello, this is Luca. Publishing is a fun and engaging class where you can learn and talk to friends and improve your writing skills. You also get to write and research interesting topics and learn more about important issues. In publishing, we watch educational movies, have fun field trips, and of course write. There's also specialized jobs like editor-in-chief, production team, and yearbook. One thing I like about publishing is that we get to learn about topics that are relevant and important. One of the articles I'm most proud of is my article about Japanese folktales, because it was fun and I got to read folktales. Goodbye.
I like publishing because we get to learn about important topics and write about whatever we want, as well as go on cool field trips. I'm most proud of my writing on Asian and Pacific Islander because it's my heritage and I wrote a nice article.
One thing that I like about publishing is that there's a big variety of things you get to do, and you get to write about a bunch of different things and just do a bunch of different things. You get to go on field trips, and depending on what job you have, you can take pictures, you can work on the yearbook and stuff like that. And some articles that I'm proud of are, I wrote one about Boba a while back, and I think that one's pretty good. And my most recent ones were women in history, and I think that's pretty cool. So yeah.
My name is Vishwanath, and I'm in the production team for publishing. And the class is really fun. You can do all sorts of things like field trips and stuff. You get to hang out with your friends. An article I liked writing was the one where I wrote about Hogwarts Legacy, and if the game is transphobic. I thought that was pretty fun to write about. And yeah, you get to write all sorts of cool articles and stuff. I forgot to add, you also like watch these movies in class that are like about the topic that you're writing about. For Black History Month, we watched a movie about Emmett Till. And for the APIC newspaper, we watched a movie about Lariat Leong and all the other like APIC activists. Yeah. So yeah, that's also pretty cool. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Camille, and I'm an 8th grader in publishing. And there's a lot of things I like about publishing, but like the top two would probably be that we get to take photos of the school, like during class, or like on Thursdays we normally go around and take photos if you're on the photographing team. And then also the like amount of opportunities you have to do stuff is really cool. That you can be on the yearbook, and you can also take photos, and you can just do a lot of stuff. You can also be an editor. I also really like the field trips we go on. There's a lot that we go on. We go to Cal and just like walk around and take photos. And my favorite article I've done is probably the one I did for Women's History Month. I liked how we had lots of help picking out a topic because there were just so many to choose from. And I liked how I got just kind of like help like editing and everything like that. So.
Hi, something I really like publishing this year is just how fun it was, because you can just come here and talk with your friends, you can type up your article, and even though there is work, it doesn't really feel like work because you're just doing a couple articles that you feel passionate about. I really think the freedom we have in this class is really cool. We don't have assigned seating. You can, for your second article every month, you can decide whatever you want to write about, and I just think that's really, really cool. I also like it because I think it's definitely improved my writing skills, because from the beginning of the year to right now, I think I can type a lot faster. I think I have more vocabulary I can use, and I think that's just really cool for a lot of my other classes. Something I'm really proud of this year is my boba article that I wrote, because it has more words than I usually type up. And I really like boba, so I think it was a cool thing to write about, and I'm really glad Miss Arthur gives me so much freedom.
Hi, I'm Naomi. I really like publishing because it's just a really cool place to be. It's really fun writing articles together in groups and just collaborating on them. I really like editing the yearbook because it's just a cool way to spend my time, and also photography is like really fun, and I get to do it with one of my best friends, Addison. And one of my favorite articles that I've ever written is for Black History Month. I wrote a article about black women in music, in the music industry throughout the ages. So like, it featured like Beyonce and a few other pretty notable people. So yeah.
My favorite things about publishing are all the articles that we get to write. I think it's really fun, and also all the people that sit in the corner, because we're just so chaotic and have a good time. The articles I was most proud of writing is the one for Women's History Month. I'm excited to write the ones in next month for the Pride, and I also really liked writing the gag articles about conspiracy theories that are actually true. That was fun. And yeah, I really enjoy publishing, and I'm going to do it again next year so I can experience even more of it. And it's going to be a whole different experience, but I'm excited. So,
hi, my name's Helen. I'm in the publishing class. So, one thing I really like about publishing is that there are investigative journalism. So, there's a general topic that we go by and write about that specific topic for the month for the Willard newspaper. And then we also, majority of the time, we get to also write about a topic of anything of your choice, which is something I really like, because I like to be free in writing topics. I really enjoy the field trips. Recently we went on a field trip to go to Berkeley Bowl, and during these field trips, the photographers would take photos for their yearbook for that specific year, and generally photos of common places kids would be going to at Willard, yeah.
One thing I like about publishing is the freedom that Miss Arthur gives us. She lets us write about what we want, so it wouldn't be as boring as writing about like something that's set and already assigned to us. You also have separate jobs, like you could be a photographer, or you could be a yearbook person, or you could be a producer, I think. So you could like be the one that puts all the written newspapers together and like organizes it, or you could be the person that works on the yearbook or takes photos. Miss Arthur is like she's just, I like the way where she gives us a lot of freedom to do whatever we want as long as we get our work done. So she kind of like, yeah, we just have a lot of freedom in the class. And overall, really fun class. And Miss Arthur's great, her classroom's great. Fun stuff.
My name is Victor, and I'm in the production team in Miss Arthur's publishing class. And one thing that I really like about it is that there's lots of different things to work on. So there are multiple teams, and I'm in the production team, which means that I format articles with 2 other people and put them into a Google slide, which then we print, we don't print anymore. We publish that. So I also write 1 article per month, and one thing that I really like is the themes. I think we pick some really great themes and won to a theme. So it was African American chess players who changed the chess community, and that one I collaborated with somebody on, and I really liked that article.
Okay, so one thing I like about publishing is when we go on field trips and we take pictures and explore what we go see. And also another thing what I like is when we work with people on articles, basically, for example, when we're doing an article together with somebody and we write about a certain topic. I feel like my favorite article that I have wrote so far was stereotypes, how people stereotype you and stuff. And also, I just like the class in general.
Hi, my name is Anaya, and I really like the publishing class because I like the field trips and the friendships you make during the class and the semesters. And my favorite article that I've written was about how people tend to stereotype women.